Good morning, Wisdom Keepers. Thank you so much for all your continued support. I am working on getting my followers up to 50 so I can start doing live videos on YouTube. Please like, comment, subscribe. My 8-year-old is the one who told me I needed to say that. And share this post with your friends. This is a Wisdom Keeper community where all of us come together with our wise souls and share and expand into this new way of being. I'm here on my lunch break near the river, just enjoying some beautiful nature time, grounding in. So please support me, share this, like this post, and let's expand into this new community of Wisdom Keepers. Much love.